Assalamualaikum everybody, this is my 9th algorithm video, and in this video we would be finding the minimum and maximum elements in an array. So for example, we are given a list of numbers 2, 1, 56, 10,000, 167. Okay, then I initialize the minimum value and I say it is I access the first element of the list number is 3 and I give it to the variable minimum value. I do the same for the maximum value. I give a random value of 3 to the maximum value. It would automatically be updated as the code runs. So basically I start with a for loop for I in list of numbers, right? If I is less than of minimum value, then I update the minimum value with I, right? Elif, if I is greater than the maximum value, then I update the maximum value with I. Okay, when the for loop is completed, I print the minimum value and the maximum value. Now as I click play, now as you can see, Python tells us that the minimum value in this list is 1, right? And the maximum value is 10,000. Now if I change the list, say for example 1, 345, 234, 21, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now if I click play, again the minimum value is 1 as you can see, and the maximum value is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 as given by Python here. I hope you liked the video. Please share, like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.